that cold start though. What the fuck?
I hate driving.
Shit.
I hate starting my car in my neighborhood, bro.
Yeah, guys, you got. I missed the install, but he has his downpipe now, catless. He's straight piped. If you can't tell.
Only I have a little resin.
Fuck. Install today, guys. Ah, look at that broke ass.
Why do you have to check engine
Bro, check your
light?
emission, bro.
It's because I'm not too.
Fuck. Oh shit.
They think my cats are grown.
What? Sheesh.
Sounded like it just farted. That's wrong, bro. That's funny.
Alright, guys. Yes, we know that he has an exhaust leak too, so we know it's not just that loud, but yeah. Just need to let you guys
It's
know.
not from the exhaust.
Damn, bro. Step on it, step on it. Downshift to step on it. Oh shit. Alright, go. Dude, two-step. Fucking A. Oh, that hurt my ears. Oh my god. Fuck.
My eardrums, man.
Watch out. That shit makes your ears rattle. Sheesh. Go.
Is it looking? Yeah. I mean, it does require it too.
This is a new exhaust, guys. Which exhaust is it, Nick?
The invidia q300.
Sheesh.
I was trying to get a new one, but they were all back ordered for like months. So I got this one used, pretty good. It was dirty, but I had a BP Detail Co.
BP Detail Co.
Yep. Don't hit him up though, cause this is not working.
Fuck it. Let's install this. We do not recommend this at home, guys. Do not do this at home. All right, we got the JDM jack stands installed. Fuck.
Like a socket and a wrench.
The man's working on the job already. You get it, Luis.
Man, the legend.
Look at these guys getting to work.
What? It doesn't fit on this socket. I spent at 13 then.
Bro,
What they want these days, man.
two cats are not enough.
Or when you took them off?
Dang.
Or, I mean, it was like that when you took it off. Well, I was been driving for like 2 weeks.
Shoosh.
Look at a picture of this.
Running rich much?
Dang.
Damn.
Dented too.
Fuck, I have a dented.
Oh, fuck.
bottom the fuck out.
Blew off the tag, man. Just blew it off.
I used to say Buddy Club, nameless exhaust for sale.
eBay exhaust.
eBay exhaust, hit us up. Mario, come over here for the montage. Wait, stand right there.
Silos, why'd you kill this shit?
Got it installed. There's a downpipe right there
Just tightening everything up.
to the mid, and they're just gonna install the muffler. This is what they took off, a straight piped Buddy Club exhaust. Shit was booty. Now we got the invidia, it looks way better.
Not for like outside.
Oh.
That's when you look at it. Bruh. Come on, man.
It looks like a zombie, a crawler.
600.
We got it installed, boys. Luis and Nicker.
Right here, we call this a beauty to the streets, alright? I
Yup.
thought my time was a menace.
We got it.
Is it touching the bumper this time? No. Alright, oh shit.
Ooh.
Quiet.
Yeah.
Quiet.
Not used to this sound from this. Not used to this, man. Rev it again? That sounds good. Ooh.
You can hell hear the downpipe.
Yeah.
Do some launch control.
Let's go. So much better. What?
I feel like I'm driving in a Honda Fit. Where's the drone? Whoa! Those pops sound cool.
I know, it sounds nice.
They're little air pops. Like,
Bro, huh?
that?
Yeah,
Oh, so much love. All right, go. Yeah. Do the go like that. Tell me to keep going. Oh fuck! I feel mosquitoes.
Well, mosquito in my nose. Jazz hands.
The classic jazz, man.
Yeah, the classic.
Man, I drive on the jazz. What can I say?
Give it a couple more revs just to end the video. Sheesh. Fuck it. Alright guys, after installation today, what do you guys think? What do you think, Nick?
What's up?
What do you think?
Shit. It sounds good. It's a lot quieter. Missed with the menacing a little bit,
Yeah, RIP.
but it's for the better, man.
It's for the better. Gotta move on.
It's for the greater good, huh?
All good things come to an end one day.
It really does.
Let me get that thumbnail though.
Hey man, we're still
still got check engine light.
Don't sleep on the check engine. All right, later, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you guys thought about today. See y'all next time. Yeah.